trying to think how to quickly flag files or data that's failing to upload, you could conditionally format in Excel and just have copying and pasting in there do it. So here's an example of a data file. This is just mock data. And if they paste the values into A2 here, I set it up to auto-detect what type it is, the data type based on the header, and it auto-flags what's wrong. So for example, consent given is a tiny int, so anything over a certain number gets flagged. For date times, anything that's text or starts with a letter is flagged. I did zip code specifically. It has to be over 5, and text doesn't work. Since these can be massive files, you can control and roll out to zoom in and see, any columns that are causing problems. So over here, there was tiny ints that were found if they put pregnant instead of a number, or male and female instead of a number, because these are all tiny ints. The way that this was done is I copied cd-data-dim column types from the database. So this dynamically looks up what these are. So based on the CDE, it looks up what the column is coded as. And so then it dynamically puts it here when you paste it, and we'll fill that out. So we could add anything we want here. The downside is Excel. So when people paste into Excel, it changes stuff. So there's downsides, but I didn't know if this would be helpful as a first shot for people.